What is up? It is Josh here with SSC, and I know we are starting in a very weird place. I apologize. Alright, so today we're going to be going to Cars and Coffee, DuPont in St. Pete. I've never been to that one, so I'm excited to go. My brakes are still squeaking. I didn't fix that issue from last time. Well, what we're doing now, we're going to have some company, so we're going to go pick Danny up. He's been helping me out a lot with the car. He wanted to check out one of the shows. So I said, hey, let's go ahead and meet. So it is currently 5 o'clock in the morning. Sorry if you don't see my face. It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning, heading that way. It takes me an hour to get on this side, so it'll be 6 by the time I get there, and then grab him in another 30-minute drive, so hopefully we get there probably around 7. All right, stay tuned. See you guys soon. With the truck? That is a sick truck.
Brilliant way to combat it.
Works. Rev it, bro. Rev it. Let me hear it. Nope, you don't want to rev it. annoy as much people as possible that drive by. We can tell the most random cars, yo, rev it, let's hear it. See what they say. Alright, this is my favorite one of all. Damn, she thick. She's super thick, man. Alright guys, but we're gonna head out. Thank you, DuPont Registry, for a nice fun car show. It was great while it lasted. So that's a girl. Why black people always fucking hungry, Todd? Oh shit! All right, we can't. No Mustangs killed us this morning. Thank God. Thank God. Oh man. All right, let's look for some food. Oh, fat motherfucker.
Oh yeah.
Today's video is sponsored by Chick-fil-A. Just kidding. All right, let me go eat. Look at this, guys. So it's the McLaren. I don't know what model exactly. We know it's McLaren.
Quad turbo.
But this thing is sick. I finally get to see it without the whole body on there. I don't know if I'm correct on this, but it's like a mono cage or whatever. I think it's a whole singly made, single built. Makes it super safe. All carbon fiber. Now we get to see the power plant. Turbo. Yeah, I think he called me sexy, guys. I don't think he was talking about the car. What you looking at? What you look? You talking to me? He talking to me. Wait a minute. I think he had too much coffee today.
I might have taken another one.
Fucking